Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best affordable nightstands in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is mDesign Storage Side Table Nightstand Furniture Unit. The mDesign storage dresser is the perfect storage solution for any room in your home. This stylish dresser features 2 removable fabric bins, perfect for storing clothes, linens, and more. The linen/tan/natural finish is perfect for any decor style, and the 2-drawer design makes this dresser perfect for use as an end table, nightstand, or even a small dresser in your closet. Features 2 removable fabric drawers with reinforced base, used next to bed for matching nightstands, or in any room as an accent table. Place inside the closet to create extra storage and keep clutter under control. Perfect for your smartphone, sound machine, alarm clock, journal, magazines, books, reading glasses, and beverages. Handy, mix and amp. Match with other mDesign organizers for endless organizational possibilities and organized storage solutions throughout your room. These stands feature a slim, lightweight design to easily fit into smaller areas while still providing plenty of storage space. Wood top provides a hard surface to place lamps, books, decor, and more. The generously sized, removable drawers have an easy pull handle to make opening and closing simple. Number 2. Our second best pick is VASAGLE Nightstand End Tables with Adjustable Mesh Shelves. Introducing our rustic yet chic nightstands. If you're looking for some stylish and sturdy bedside tables, then these are perfect for you. Made with a durable steel frame and adjustable mesh shelves, these tables are perfect for storing all your nighttime essentials. Plus, they're easy to assemble, so you'll be able to enjoy them in no time. Whether you're looking for some extra storage space in your bedroom or a stylish accent for your living room, these tables are a great choice. The mesh shelves are adjustable, so you can customize the storage space to your needs, place books, magazines, or decorations on the shelves, and store your alarm clock, lamp, or glass of water on the smooth tabletop. Simple assembly is required. All necessary parts and clear instructions are included in the package for a worry-free assembly experience. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. These end tables are built with a stable steel frame, ensuring years of use. The thick tabletop is made of durable particle board, and the mesh shelves are made of steel wire. The anti-rust paint finish protects the frame from corrosion. Number 3. Our third best pick is ZINUS Dane 20-inch black frame side table. Introducing the ZINUS Dane 20-inch black frame side table/end table. This stylish and functional side table is perfect for small spaces. The black frame and red mahogany wood grain finish is easy to clean and fits in any space. The additional lower shelf provides extra storage or display space. The ZINUS Dane side table is easy to assemble and comes with a worry-free limited 1-year warranty. This ZINUS Dane side table is the perfect addition to any room in your home. The red mahogany wood grain finish is easy to clean and adds a touch of style to any space. The lower shelf is perfect for storing books, magazines, or any other small items. The table is easy to assemble and fits in small spaces. It is also built to hold up to 100 pounds of evenly distributed weight. The worry-free limited 1-year warranty gives you peace of mind. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Amazon Basics Round Storage End Table. The Amazon Basics Round Storage End Table is a stylish and functional accent piece for your home. The metal frame is durable and features a smooth painted finish, while the linen look fabric bin underneath the tabletop provides ample storage space for toys, throw blankets, and other supplies. The recessed metal tabletop tray is perfect for holding drinks, snacks, potted plants, and more, and the 4-point base ensures stability. Assembly is quick and easy, and all hardware components and instructions are included. The Amazon Basics Round Storage End Table is a stylish and functional accent piece for any room. The metal frame is durable and features a smooth painted finish. The linen look, panel-bottomed fabric bin underneath the tabletop is perfect for storing toys, throw blankets, supplies, and more. The recessed metal tabletop tray rests securely between 4 brackets and is perfect for placing drinks, snacks, potted plants, and more. The Amazon Basics round storage end table is easy to assemble and includes all hardware components and instructions. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Winsome Wood 10727 Sasha Accent Table. The Winsome Wood Sasha Accent Table is the perfect way to add a touch of elegance to your home. This beautiful table is made from solid and composite wood for durability and features a traditional design with a round top and a lower shelf. The white finish with polished steel drawer knob is perfect for any decor, and the small drawer and lower shelf provide ample space for displaying knickknacks. The table is easy to assemble with parts, tools, and instructions included. The Winsome Wood Sasha Accent Table is a beautifully crafted piece of furniture that will add a touch of elegance to any room. This roundwood accent table features a drawer and shelf for displaying your favorite knickknacks. The sturdy construction and traditional styling make this table a must-have for any home. The white finish and polished steel drawer knob complete the look of this table. The table is ready to assemble with parts, tools, and instructions included. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.